The GE Profile PGE29BYTFS refrigerator includes an autofill water dispenser that automatically fills containers to a selected level using built-in sensors. This feature is designed to make dispensing water easier and prevent spills, but occasionally it may stop working properly due to sensor obstructions, filter restrictions, or calibration issues. If the autofill function doesn't respond or stops filling early, the problem is usually related to the sensor area or water flow. Fortunately, most issues can be resolved with a few quick checks and adjustments. Try these. Step 1. Inspect the autofill sensor area on the dispenser and wipe it clean to remove moisture or debris. Step 2. Ensure your container is centered under the dispenser so the sensors can detect it properly. Step 3. Check the refrigerator water filter and replace it if it is clogged or overdue for replacement. Step 4. Reset the dispenser by holding the autofill or reset option on the control panel for a few seconds. Step 5. Test the feature again by placing a container under the dispenser and activating autofill to confirm proper operation.